Hello students, my name is 𝐤𝐢𝐬𝐡 Salim. I'm from grade 6B and I study in Koshish school. Today we are going to be doing an experiment about chemical reactions. We're going to see how substances will change depending on what we mix it with. So we have some cups liquids right here. We can see that we have coffee, we have ketchup, we have milk, we have Coca-Cola, we have oil, and then we have vinegar. We are going to be mixing it with bleach, and we're going to see how the substances mix and what new substances and what smell it makes and what different color it makes. Let's see what is the smell going to change? Is the color going to change? Is the substance going to change? We're going to see by chemical reaction. This is all by chemical reaction. First we have coffee, then we have ketchup, then we have milk, now we have Coca-Cola, we have oil, and last but not least we have vinegar. All of them have made new colors, and I can smell a different scent too. If we mix the substances 5 hours before and if we leave it for 5 hours, every substance will change. The odor, the smell, the color, everything will change. Now, if we see the vinegar, it hasn't changed a lot. Now we have, this is milk. Look what happened to it. It's a beige color. Milk is sometimes right. Then we have ketchup. As we can see, like oil, the substance haven't mixed well. But look at this white thing right here. It has changed the substance to another substance. Then we have this one, which was coffee. As you could see, this is coffee after 5 hours of dissolving in bleach. Now we see that we can mix a lot of substances together to make new substances. But this video is the purpose to tell every one of you guys to do not use bleach, and it's a dangerous purpose of using it to mix it with substances. So I'm warning everyone, every single one of you guys, to do not use bleach on a daily basis because it can really affect the health.
The purpose of this experiment is that I have to warn you to not drink this, because after 1 hour, this reaction will happen in your stomach.